Nina nje niyikhulumela ngemali, khulumani yini nazi imali, onobufakazi akabuveza ubufakazi ayithulele umlomo, ubufakazi boyikhulumela bona. Mina ngikhuluma lokho engikwenzayo. Manje ngicabanga ukuthi niyongiqeda amandla, niyaphupha. Ngeke iziyenzeke leyo nto leyo. Asambe siyosebenza, mufuna siyosebenza, ngiyohamba nawe kube ngathi awukazi wenze lutho. Uhamba la eduze kwami, ngikwesulile, ungasekho empilweni yami, uyitshela ukuthi ukhona, kodwa ngiqhubeke ngihamba nawe ngoba ngafundisa ukuthi uma ngingashongo lutho kuwo lubi, vele ayikho into embe ezokwenzeka. Ngiyesulana mina empilweni, ngiyakwesula mina empilweni. Ngikwesule nje uqhubeke kube khona iminyaka ewu20 ungasekho kodwa empilweni yami. Danke, ayizonde inkabi. Dicelela abantu phansi wena isona siphiwo sakho wasiphiwa uNkulunkulu leso, ilona afa oyolishiyela abazali bakho, okukhulumile kwalalelwa umkhathi, ngeke ukushintshe. Ngisho ungabhala phansi la uphinde ukusule. Beza abantu bengabi nakho, kodwa ngifuna wazi ukuthi okukhulumile ngamanga ngomuntu onedlozi njengami, umuntu onomsamo ophilayo njengami, kufanele wazi ukuthi lokho kuyokulandela ngomkhathi, not ngalezi zinto ezibhalwe phansi. Kuyokulandela kungasaboni umuntu, kodwa kuyokulandela ngoba mina ngiyiphilela iqiniso phambi kaThixo. Akekho umuntu engake ngahlangana naye ngaphambanisa ukukhuluma naye, akekho umuntu engahlangana naye ngemukela imali yokuthi akuyekwe lezi zinto ezenziwayo. Ngakho ke uyozama uzuyeke ukungcolisa, ngeke uzulithola ichashaza. Ukube ninayo into ephilayo ngabe kade ninikezile abantu ngoba niyakwazi ezinye izinto ukuyikhipha izonde ikaba ibambe khona.
Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, ngifuna ukuzwa nini ukuthi ngicabangani ngalento. Mina ngizokutshela kwami umbono ukuthi ngithini about this whole thing. If bekuyimi ngibizwa uRamaphosa and uRamaphosa offerisha imali engaka, vele bengizoyithatha. I don't wanna lie to you. I was going to collect the money. After that ngibuye ngizoqhubeka nomsebenzi. Bengingeke ngiyiyeke imali ilahlile. Akukona kwethu ukuthi sijaje. I know ukuthi akukona kwethu sijaje. Thina okwethu ukuthi sizame ukwenza ipeace, okwethu ukuthi sizame ukuhlanganisa abaholi bethu uJacinta noPhakela Mthakathi, bonke bahlangane bebe munye njengoba besinjalo. Imagine ubumnandi lento esisiphuce bona. Imagine ubumnandi ebese sibhekene nabo ukuthi sazi ukuthi this week baseMpumalanga, this week baseJoburg, this week, you know, all those things, ukuthi really sizophila kanjani. Ukwazi ukuthi ama-foreign nationals ahleli manje South Africa awasahambi, ukwazi ukuthi asezoqala lezi zinto zawo zokuthi we are not going anywhere. A lot of things zizokwenzeka, even lezi ebese sithi siyisolvile izobuyela back to square one. If thina as ama-patriots singafaki i-effort kubaholi bethu esibathandayo uJacinta uPhakela Mthakathi, ngiyababona uMancinza nalaba abanye, cause akukho lapho ngeke ngeze ukuthi baxabene khona, except yona lento-ke yokuthi ngingasho ngithi uright ukuthi akhulume uMancinza in public ukuthi sizwe sonke ukuthi kwenzakalani, but at the same time nginakho ukublame noma ukugxeka ukuthi maybe bekufanele ukuthi leyo nto beyikhulume eqale ethola iqiniso, because njengamanje uma ethi yena i-information uyithola kwi-ANC, unabangani kwi-ANC. uPhakela Mthakathi uthi ufuna i-evidence, ufuna ukubona i-evidence ukuthi njengoba bethi uthathe imali kupresident, iphi i-evidence ucela bembonise yona. uMancinza uthini? Uthi yena i-evidence yileyo ukuthi utsheliwe abangani bakhe abaku-ANC. Ayikho i-evidence ephathekayo according to my understanding, ukuthi angiboni ukuthi khona except ukuthi utshelwe abantu abatrustayo kwi-ANC, which maybe is true, I'm not sure ukuthi vele labo bantu bebemtshela iqiniso or bebemtshela amanga. But nje indlela-ke nakhona lento abayenza ngayo, I don't think iyinto e-right. Bese sibuyela kuyena-ke vele undabandaba uPhakela Mthakathi ukuthi yena sibheke yena ukuthi thina asichazele ukuthi vele lento iyiqiniso noma akulona. Mina ngima naye noma ngabe kuthiwa lento iyiqiniso ukuthi uyithathini imali, because let me just be honest with you guys. If mina uRamaphosa ubebize mina wathi kimi wozothatha nawo 3 million bese uyeka umzabalazo, forget about fighting for the country, bengizowuthatha vele 3 million, bengeke ngize ngiyeke, ngibuye ngizoqhubeka ne-struggle, angeke aze angenze lutho, ubengeke enze lutho, because remember ukuthi lento ithanishe igama lakhe ukudlulela kaPhakela Mthakathi. If ngempela umnikile uPhakela Mthakathi lo 3 million, igama lakhe ilona elizongcola elithanisheka kakhulu ukudlulela Phakela Mthakathi, ukuthi the president of the country ufuna ukuthi kumiwe uclean country, ufuna ukuthi kumiwe ukuliwa nama-illegal foreign nationals agcwele ezweni. Asebona umhlaba wonke ukuthi kanti ama-South Africans vele lento akhala ngayo is there, bayibonile, wonke umuntu uyibonile in public, ko-Sherwood Park, ama-Zimbabweans, ama-Malawians, ama-Nigerians elandwa ngama-flights. Abantu bayazi ukuthi iy'ngane ziyafa la eSouth Africa, ibulawa upoison othengwe ema-tuck shop. Abantu bayazi ukuthi eSouth Africa upowder ugcwele all over the place, iy'ngane zigcwele emgwaqeni, i-unemployment iyaziwa all over the world ukuthi we are suffering. Even isifo lesigciwane kuyaziwa ukuthi i-South Africa is going through a lot when it comes to that. And okungeyikona ukuthi ama-South Africans lawa alidayo ngaleli gciwane ukuthi kuthiwe siwu-number 1 ezweni kanjani njani, yibona labantu laba. If you go to ama-clinics wethu eSouth Africa, abantu abaningi laphayana abazo-collect medication, abantu bangaphandle. Abantu abaningi laphayana abazala iy'ngane ezizalwa ezinye zinegciwane, abantu bangaphandle. Yonke into ekuthiwa siwu-number, ngisho ubugebengu sibizwa ngokuthi iSouth Africa is number 1 when it comes to crime. But ababali ukuthi iSouth Africa ithwele the whole continent, even beyond, because we can see ukuthi la eSouth Africa iy'gebengu zonke from all over the world zila eSouth Africa, from Mexico, from wherever. I was so shocked a few years ago mabethi eStanderton bathole inkampani yokugaya ipowder i-ownwa ama-Vietnamese. Into engangaze ngicabanga ukuthi sinama-Vietnamese, sinoma-Mexican, sina ini because bona vele asihlali nabo, asibazi. So nje guys, mina ngendlela engibona ngayo izinto ezenzeka ngakhona ukuthi upresident yena self uyena umuntu igama lakhe elizongcola ukudlula lapha kulomthakathi. So nje njengamanje, if yena upresident ezwa lezi ndaba enga-address nation, uzobe kwenziswa yini lokho? Kufanele ukuthi aphume azo-address nation ukuthi hayibona zingane ngizwe indaba itrenda, iy'ngane ikhuluma ngegama lami phansi phezulu zithi ngikhokhe imali kanjani njani. Even all these other African countries or leaders, if bezwa into efana naleyo, okay, siyazi ukuthi bona bangajabula vele, maybe uplaneni nabo if lento uyenzile ukuthi a-offerishe uphakele umthakathi leyo 3 million so that ama-foreign nationals will continue to stay in South Africa. Why? Because ufuna ukupleaser these other leaders from Africa. Lokho if ukwenzile, akaphumele obala ezokhuluma. Uphakele umthakathi if uyithathile le mali, he must just explain ukuthi guys, bengeke ngiyeke nami imali lahlile, angithi vele bayidla yodwa imali yethu vele le ye-tax iyona le nami ebese ngiyithatha. That's the only thing engicabanga ukuthi mhlampe if yena uyithathile imali engakwazi ukuthi ipholise iy'nhliziyo zalabo bantu labo aba-disappointed or whatever. And even ukum-expose after collecting 3 million, bengingaba nakho ukuthi ngisho ukuthi hayi ungiphile imali upresident, engitshela ukuthi ngiyekele umzabalazo ukuze abantu bazi ukuthi noma sengifa sengibulawa bazi ukuthi uyena umuntu ofike wanginika imali ngam-expose nakho sengiyafa. Bengingakwenza nakho lokho ukuthi ngiyithathe imali mangiqeda lapho ngi-announce ukuthi ungiphile imali, nami I'm grateful vele ukuthi ungiphile imali. Zibuze ukuthi upresident onjani ongakwazi ukuthi a-offerishe i-citizen elwela izwe eyinike imali ukuthi iyekele ukulwa nama-illegal activities enziwa ama-illegal foreign nationals. No, upresident onjani nje ongabe umhlaba wonke ungathini mawuzwa ukuthi vele it's true ukuthi vele le mali uyikhiphile wayinika ordinary citizen ukuthi ayeke ukulwela izwe. Uzobe upresident onjani? He must come out naye. If lento vele ngayazi, he must come out and but kuyona yonke into mina ngisamile kuleli lokuthi nami bengizoyithatha le mali bese ngiyambetray lo president osesifake kulento esikuyo namhlanje. Bengizoyithatha. I'm not trying to defend phakela umthakathi ngokuthatha leyo mali if uyithathile ukuthi no vele imali. No. So nje I think kunezinto ey'ningi kufanele ukuthi bayilungise as leadership, ngoba if bona kuzothi njalo makwenzeka izinto bayikhulume in public or bexabane kuma-social media, kusho ukuthi phela akukho la soya khona. Ayikho into abazoba i-role model kuyo kule y'ngane lezi ey'khuliswayo njengamanje, kufanele ukuthi nazo zazi ukuthi liyalwelwa izwe. Uma bona bezolwa kuma-social media platforms, if bona bengazi ukukhuluma behind the scenes, belungise iy'nkinga zabo behind the scenes, beze kithi sebezositshela ukuthi no, everything is okay, angeke izwe lize lilunge kanjalo. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.